Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by ensuring your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged to guarantee your safety during the process. Next, remove the screw located at the back of the Thermomix using the Phillips screwdriver. This will allow you to access the panel more easily. Be sure to keep the screw in a safe place, as you'll need it later. Once the screw is out, gently pry open the front panel with the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. As you lift the panel, you may notice some internal components. This is a great opportunity to clean any dust or debris inside your Thermomix. Use the soft cloth to wipe down any surfaces. Now, locate the connections for the control panel. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it out. Avoid using excessive force, as this could damage the connections. If you're unsure about handling this part, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice if needed. After disconnecting the old control panel, take your new panel and align it with the connection points. This is a crucial step. Make sure everything fits correctly. Once aligned, reconnect the wiring harness. If you don't have the tools necessary for this process, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair hassle-free. With the new control panel connected, carefully position it back into place. Push gently but firmly until you hear a click, indicating that it's secured. Replace the screw at the back of the machine to hold everything in place. Before closing the panel, plug in your Thermomix to test the new control panel. Ensure that all functions are operating as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel, just straightforward service. Once you confirm everything is working correctly, you can close the front panel securely. Finally, wipe down the exterior of your Thermomix with the soft cloth to give it a polished look. If you need assistance, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you're informed every step of the way. Now that your Thermomix TM31 is back in action, enjoy cooking with your updated machine. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.